Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm back, and I'm back with a what's in my bag video. And today's bag for this video is going to be the Marc Jacobs the Duffle. I did a show and tell or like a bag reveal video on this bag. So if you're interested in just seeing the specs and all that type of stuff, the unboxing and all that, I'll link that video down below. It's actually probably the very last video that I uploaded. So yeah, this is her, and I have been loving this bag. I've been carrying this bag non-stop every single day, like every single day, y'all. She has a removable strap, which I love. I did find out how to adjust this strap when I unboxed the video. I didn't know how, but I do know how to do that. So at the end of the video, I'll show you how it looks against the body with the strap. Yeah, with the adjustable strap. So this is how she looks with all of my things in it. And yeah, I'll just show you guys what all can fit in here. And she fits a lot. Like, this bag fits a lot. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my bag, please keep watching. In no type of order, I'm gonna just start whipping things out my purse, okay? So what's on top is my phone. I have the Samsung Galaxy 23 Ultra. And yeah, my phone, my little yogurt snacks for the baby, some random dollars, my key clay, and just has my keys on it, my eyeglasses, which should be on my face, but they're not, but I have my eyeglasses, some more money, I have a pen, a random makeup brush, hand sanitizer, nail glue, and I don't have no nails on, so that's random. Teething tablets for the baby, my earpods, or my earbuds, they're the Sony earbuds, and that's what I use with my phone. I have my wallet, and it's just wallet things, but it's a full-size wallet. Random receipts and money. Lotion. Batteries to this camera right here. And I have that camera in my purse too. I carry this camera in my purse, and this is the Sony ZV-1. So that be in here too. These are extra batteries to it. Another pen. Money. Carmex. Hair tie. Another battery. Little mini key pouch, and I have my I have gift cards and my business cards in here for my online store. So check me out, link in the description box. Come shop. So I keep that in here. That's looking like the rest of this is just loose change. There's a bunch of loose change in here, which I'm gonna take out and put inside of my little coin jar. But yeah, and the rest is just change. And that's what fits in here. It does have a little back pocket back here, but I don't tend to use it, is what I'm noticing. I have stuck like my card in it, or like maybe like when I go to Kroger's and I'm paying for stuff, then I'll put, you know, your Kroger Plus card, I'll stick that just right in that pocket because I don't feel like putting it back in my wallet at that moment. Yeah, I kind of use it for random things like that, but for the most part I really don't use that back pocket because it's small, and it's not like really that deep either. So yeah, it's not like useful for me and the things I carry. But yeah, that's what fits in here. If you were ever wondering, I love this bag so much, y'all. Like, this bag is really bomb, and it fits more to the eye than I think most people might think. Yeah, it's small, but it's big, you know, small and spacious. And like I said, I've been carrying this as an everyday bag. So yeah, really, really nice. So now I'm going to show you how it looks against the body with the strap. And all you do is unbutton. It's 2 buttons on each side of the purse strap, here and here. And you unbutton both and then just slide them up. Just slide it up like that. And then that gives you a longer strap. So that's going to wrap it up for this quick what's in my bag featuring the Marc Jacobs Duffle Bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to catch you guys in my next one. Bye.